don't know.
Watch out.
Well, you watch out.
Watch out for the thing.
You watch out. Hello?
What the heck? Hurricane Uma?
Don't do that, because then you can't get our faces.
Well, yes you can.
Okay.
Bye now.
Oh, okay. So today we are going to be talking about our story for escaping Hurricane Irma. And so this was a very tragic hurricane for some people, like Miami, Naples, and like like places like that. So first of all, to start off the story, we were originally not going to evacuate, but my mom got so paranoid the day before it happened. The day before it happened.
Hey, stop it.
And so she decided to leave at the last minute. And so we decided to go to
South Carolina,
Greenville. And so first of all,
oh, why'd you tell them?
okay. So anyways, so we decided to go there and visit my aunt. And so when we were driving up, we couldn't. My dad didn't want to leave my grandma.
Yeah, because she's a stubborn girl, so she doesn't.
She's not stubborn. She kind of is. She just doesn't. She didn't want to leave, and so my dad's like, "I'm not leaving your grandma." And so she and my dad didn't go, along with Libby and Ruby, our two dogs. I wanted them to go so bad, but my grandma's like, "No, they have to stay here with me." I'm like, "Oh my god." I'm like, "Oh my god." Owen just said, "Tessa, she watches our videos." Anyways, and I was like, "Oh my gosh, it's better if they go with me, not her." But she's like, "I need them," and I'm like, "Okay, whatever." And so I was so mad, and when we were about to leave, I started crying so hard, and it was very sad. And so
I have something right there.
look, he has something right there that he said. That's what he said.
It's right there.
Ew, okay. Anyways, so when we were driving up there, we drove like 9 hours to get out of the state, and it was only supposed to get. So we drove 9 hours to get out of the state, and it's only supposed to stop. And so it's only supposed to take 5 or 6 hours, and so it took us 9. And so when we got out of the state, it took us like 5 hours to get past Georgia and Jacksonville and Savannah and stuff like that. And so my mom's like, "I can't take it. We have to stay in a hotel." And so we did. And then at 4 a.m, we drove the rest of the 4 hours to South Carolina. And so we had a great time there. The first day we just rested. The second day we just rested. The third day, no, it wasn't the third day we went to the apple farm. Right? What was the third day? What did we do? The third day was on Saturday.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
No, that was the second day. Sunday, we did nothing. We literally just hung around at home and had pizza for dinner and stuff. And then what day was it when we went to the apple farm?
Sunday we went to the apple farm.
Yeah, we went to this apple farm, I think on Wednesday. No, Tuesday. Yeah. No. On Monday we went to the apple farm.
Did we?
Yeah. On Monday.
I don't know.
Yeah, on Monday we went to the apple farm, and it was so fun. You could pick apples, and we took many pictures, and we had to climb the trees to get all the good apples. And
I climbed the trees.
You have to speak louder. I climbed the trees. And so it was really fun. And then the next day we just chilled. The next day we just chilled and did stuff. Like what? What did we do?
I don't know.
We watched TV and stuff. And then the next day, no.
Anyway.
Oh, and at the apple farm, we had these apple cider donuts that were amazing.
Oh my God, they were so
Anyways, on Tuesday, we decided we wanted to go home to here, yeah. And so we decided to go here. We wanted to go, but we left at 9:30 in the morning, and we did not
leave at 9:30.
Yes, we did.
We left at 6.
No, we didn't. Oh, then we did leave at 6:30 in the morning. And so we could not get past Jacksonville. We literally were in the car.
Be a savage because I just corrected her.
Savage. Stop. And so we don't do that. My slime dropped. It's okay.
Ew.
Anyways, and so
I wish it fell out of the package. Whatever this is.
A bowl, a container. So, anyways,
Hit the button.
I know.
She hit the button.
Stop. And so, anyway. So then it took us 5 hours in the car, and guess what? We only drove 110 miles in 5 hours.
What?
And so we decided to turn around and go back. And so Wednesday we just chilled, and Thursday, which is today.
We didn't just chill on Wednesday. We went downtown, dude.
Oh yeah, we went downtown to do Mice on Main. That's where you have to find like these 9 mouses, and it was really.
Mice. 9 mice.
I'm not in school right now. God. So, sorry guys for my grammar. I just don't like school. So.
Pay attention because you get too far. Dang it.
Well, you should pay attention too. What is that on you there? Okay. Anyways, so we shut up. And so, Owen, you're getting me distracted. And so then we found all the mice. We ate and stuff like that.
Oh, that's gone.
And so, yeah. And also, while we were in South Carolina, my mom's friends, Kurt and Michelle. Yeah, okay. They had to stay here because you know what? They live in Fort Myers, and so they had to come here to evacuate too. But yeah, even though it was hitting us a little bit, but it wasn't hitting us too bad where it like flooded or anything. But
it did actually flood our
yeah,
area.
it's
Very tragic. Give me.
So it did flood this back area. You see back there. You see all those tiles and weird things. We had to pull those out and put them on top of our little backdrop thing because we were getting flooded and it was kind of a traumatic experience for me because I had to set it back up again.
So the pool overflowed. Stop! The pool overflowed and it flooded over here.
By the way, she's not taller than me. She's just in a taller chair. I can't stress that enough because I hate when people call her taller, but she's not. She's not taller. She's not taller.
Stop! Ew. That's nasty. And I found these for him. So.
Nah, she didn't.
Yeah. Yes, I did. I was in your room. I'm like, oh my God, look, cat. So, anyways, the pool overflowed. Where was? Stop! You stopped me. I don't know where I was.
You.
Ew! It's wet. Ew!
Stop rubbing it out there.
So where was I? Stop!
Clemson jacket.
Owen, seriously,
Clemson.
stop.
You shut up.
Where was I at? You distracted me.
I don't know. You were at some honey on farm.
Stop. And so we went to eat in downtown. We went home, we chilled, and then today, which is Thursday, we drove back all the way. So now we're here. And by the way, when Kurt and Michelle were here, they're gone now. They just left today.
Yeah.
Anyways, they had 2 cats, and they stayed in my room, and they destroyed it. Like, my room is destroyed. And so my dad had to put...
They did nothing to your room.
kitty litter everywhere.
That's not
got destroyed. They didn't even break anything.
They moved everything in my room and they climbed on everything.
They moved everything in your room.
They
pretty sure
did.
Dad did that.
No, look at in my room. There's a few things. Well, actually, a lot.
Things.
There's a lot of things in there that are moved around.
I'm just gonna block you out.
My dad had to move most of my
I
things.
don't care.
Stop! Go! My dad had to move most of my things into my brother. Into my brother's room, and so he's mad. But
yeah, I have a lot of stuff in my room.
like slime. So, anyways, the cats destroyed the. Stop it! Ow! Ow! So the cats destroyed all of our setups and stuff. Yeah.
I hate how she gets to take the spotlight and I don't get to talk at all.
Well, you're annoying me. That's why. So, anyways, the cats destroyed our background, and so Owen had to move it back to where it was, and Owen was really mad about that. Oh,
What are you doing? No, copyright!
RIP headphone users.
Okay, we're good.
I pressed on something and made it go to a song.
Shoot.
Shoot. So when we get home, what did you discover?
That our background was messed up. Everything was falling over and I had to fix it.
He was so mad that he had to fix it.
I fixed it for you though. That's great.
Ew! Did you? Ew! Sorry, RIP headphone users. I'm sorry I'm yelling a lot. I'm just really mad and annoyed with Owen. And
That's funny.
And so he's just being really annoying and licking the. Stop. And he's licking the thing that we both use as a speaker.
As a microphone, not a speaker. I can't.
Hey, look at this cute shirt I got yesterday. Oh no, I got slime.
I got a
on it.
Clemson jacket even though I don't even like Clemson.
Yeah, he just did it for my aunt.
Yeah, because she wanted me to get Clemson attire. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, is that it? Is that the video over?
And then we came home and we were so mad.
And I'm really.
And so now we are going to clean our area today.
Yeah.
Stop. So we're going to clean our area today, and it's going to be all shiny and new when we come back.
Yup. No, wait. Is it my time now?
Yeah.
It's my time. Goodbye.
By the way, I'm so sorry for all the screaming in this video. He's just being really...
I want to say goodbye.
He's just being really annoying right now, and I can't deal with it, so I have to yell over him. So, bye guys!
Goodbye.
Please click like and subscribe, please click like and subscribe, and I pray for you, and I hope you didn't get the worst of the hurricane, because if you did, I feel so bad for you. So I'll keep you guys in my prayers.